Hi, my name is Nishanti Nandakumar. I and my group member going to present about the movie Second Act. The synopsis of the story is Maya Vegas, which is Jennifer Loops, is the assistant manager of the value store shop store, where she is a worker for past 15 years. During that time, she dramatically improved sales, customer relations, and general store cultures, innovative methods. She awaited a store visit by executive by a company hoping to promote a manager. By the way, her boyfriend Terry, co-workers and several regular customer all assumed Maya she guaranteed to the promotions, but instead she passed up in favor of Arthur, a non-local company employee with an MBA for Duke. Mr. Wiscombe explained that while he valued Maya's dedication on success, she only has a grade on no college degree, which make her ineligible for the promotion by company policy. Maya, bitterly disappointed but reluctantly, agreed to stay and on as Arthur's second in command at the store.
Hi, myself is Darshini from BBM Course. Today I'm gonna present about what the movie meant to you or teach you. Firstly, the comedy urges all of us, especially women, to break free from unhealthy social pressures and expectations. Secondly, use your self-doubt to propel your success. In a world that feeds women that message that they are not thin enough, attractive enough, smart enough, strong enough, Maya, like many of us, struggle with self-doubts. Thirdly, the only thing stopping you is you. While that's not entirely true, she skipped over for the promotion because she doesn't have a degree and aim higher than you thought possible. Moreover, find your truth. For a first day of work as a high-powered consultation, Maya dons an outfit that decidedly not her. Maya throws on a number that true to herself and appreciate and pure fire. It's important to bring your whole self to work, and that includes clothes that communicates your truth. Last but not least, don't give up. When everyone told her talent wasn't enough, after working hard and forging ahead, she added, I started believing in fact that I wasn't an imposter, that I wasn't a fake, that there was a reason I kept doing this and people keep hiring me.
Hi, my name is Pavitra. So I'll be explaining about how the video is related to any relevant chapters. So I start with the first one. The first and foremost chapter is the first chapter itself, the marketing management. This is clearly shown how workers in value store actually are growing customer through communication. This is shown when Maya and a group of friends actually has created Monday Moms Cafe concept, where both customer and the workers from the value store actually shares idea, experience, and also exchange feedbacks of a certain products and services. Through communicating with the customers, they actually involves in getting the information of what customer needs and wants about a certain products and services. At the same time, this will actually helps the company, the value store, to actually increase in sales and also profit. So the next chapter that is related to this video is the subchapter in topic 2, which is value creation. This is shown by Maya where she is being challenged by Zoe Franklin to create a skincare product that is 100% organic, because previous product that has been created by Zoe Franklin skincare, which is not 100% organic, but it claims to be such. So Maya has been challenged by Zoe to create a product that's 100% skincare, organic skin. So the next is theories we have learned from the movie. So education is important, but often people put too much emphasis on a piece of paper, official paper, rather than actual learning. So that is one of the central themes in second act starring Jennifer Lopez. So Lopez plays as a Maya, a 40 years old assistant manager of a massive department store who loses the promotion to a colleague who holds an MBA. It is even worse, it happens on her birthday. So next, that given that she's one of the hardest working people in show business, it is fitting that Jennifer Lopez should make a movie about work. She has done it before in Selena, and also to a cleaning hotel rooms in Manhattan, but never quite so directly as second act. So next, second act movie, Lopez plays as Maya, a street smart queen native who passed over an upper management promotion because she doesn't have a college degree. After some mopping, Maya finds herself on a brisk career adventure when a deceptive resume and a mysterious email land her an interview at a healthy and a beauty conglomerate located somewhere in the building where she is working nearby. Next, second act is an important reminder that education is so much more than 4 years that leads to wearing a mortarboard. It also adapting and also learning a new skill, facing challenges, and bettering yourself to be the best you possible.
Lessons I think individual or organization could learn from the movie is dance before work. You will feel freeze. One of our favorite scenes in the movie entire film is Maya's first day of work at her new job. Secondly, your girl always have your back. Maya's friends are a huge part of her life. They are always there to support her, act the part when she needed them, and encourage her to make the right choices. The most important information I personally took away from watching the film is the only thing stopping you is you. Whatever happens in our life, we have to learn to move on. Every day is a second chance to start over. I will recommend watching the movie to others because she believes in herself order to others to believe in her. If we really work hard at some times, we can strive and succeed, but no one will take a chance on us if we don't actually believe in ourselves.
The lesson I think individually or organization could learn from the movie is honest. Honesty is the best policy. In the movie, when Maya is deceptive in the job interviews or relationship and family situation, she finds herself in a bit of the pickle and feeling lost. As soon as the start beginning honest, things that going right and situation improve. Honestly is always the best policy. The valuable knowledge I personally took from the movie is we have to live itself truth. The honesty and the truth is the biggest theme in the film. And Maya's character learns that she can't get where she wants without owning her truth, facing up her mistakes.
My name is Mohammed Abdulaziz. Today I want to present my part from the assignment. My part from the assignment is the lesson I think individual or organization could learn from the movie is find your tribe. For the first one is for her first day of work as high-powered consultant is Maya. Maya Dawn is an outfit that's decidedly not her. Likely Join is there to remain her, who she is. The second one is it's important to bring your whole self to work, and that includes clothes that authentically communicate your tribe. In another key sense, when Joan sees Maya losing herself in the fiction created for her online, she says, "Don't confuse this Facebook thing with who you really are." And the third one is thought abandons Tevis and misfires. Maya eventually finds her way back to herself, and that is when her life really starts to take off in all the right ways. And the fourth one is the most important information I personally took away from the watching the movie is even after the biggest nearest disaster, there could learn, there could still be hope. The fifth one, the last one. Would you recommend watching the movie to others? Yes, I would recommend it others.
A good day to madam. I'm Ganesh here. Today I want to present about what is the outcoming from conducting the assignment. Write any significant thing that we learn from the assignment. First, how Maya and Zu treat to have healthy competition by supporting each another by not bring mother-daughter relationship into the career. Zu would like to provide Maya the research work she had previously done. Besides, both will bring each other's cafe while they are busy with own project. This movie show how healthy competition should be. This would like to be applied in the real life as well. We should maintain a healthy competition in study and working environment. Second act also emphasize on the honest value.